All right, let's talk eBay. Today, we're going to be going over 3 of the strongest eBay dropshipping tutorials on YouTube. And we're going to be pulling out the exact strategies that each of them teach, so that way you can get your very first sale on eBay fast. Each of these creators has helped thousands upon thousands of beginners, and when you combine their methods, you get a pretty simple and reliable roadmap to your first sale. All right, first up is Paul J. Lipsky. Now, his video focuses on what he calls the laziest way to start eBay dropshipping. And honestly, this is perfect for beginners because it simplifies everything.
The laziest way to start dropshipping right now, because once you set things up, it's just kind of going to be automated on the back end for you. And the best part about this is that you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is a laptop and some sort of internet connection, and you're ready to go.
Paul's core message is simple. eBay already has the traffic. Your job is just to list the right products. Also, automation handles the rest. You're not buying ads, you're not building a website. You're using a marketplace where millions of buyers already are. Now, one of the most important parts of his tutorial is understanding how to shortcut your product research by studying what's already selling. Number 1, find sellers who are already getting sales. Scan their store, list similar or improved versions of their top sellers. No guessing, no gambling, just data, action, and results. And when you combine it with AutoDS, with the AutoDS product importing, the stock monitoring, the price monitoring, and the automatic order fulfillment, you've got a beginner-friendly system that runs smoothly from day 1. All right, next up is Elliot Prreny. His video is one of the best beginner walkthroughs because he focuses on one of the most important parts that beginners skip, and that's the setup. Before you ever dropship, your eBay account needs to be set up correctly and warmed up. And Elliot explains this pretty well.
Now, you might not have an item to list, so just find something in your house that you want to sell, or you can go and buy something from the charity shop to sell, or you can purchase something from AliExpress to sell. So just get an item, a very cheap item that you are going to list, so you can set up your eBay store correctly.
Now, this matters because eBay is a trust-based platform. If a brand new account instantly posts, 200 different items, eBay is going to be like, what is going on? Who is this person? Why are they spamming us so quickly? Now, Elliot teaches how to create a business account and how to set up business policies. He also tells us how to add your bank details and why listing one normal item first helps build trust. Once your account is warmed up, he shows how to import products directly using AutoDS.
Your eBay store will now be connected to your AutoDS account, and now you can start importing some products from AutoDS to your eBay store to start dropshipping. So you can go and filter out these products on the AutoDS marketplace. So you can go and choose the ships to and ships from. So if you want to ship from the United States to the United States, these products will generally have slightly faster shipping times. I'm actually just going to get rid of this. You can also choose your currency and the price range of the products that you want to sell.
Now, this is where automation accelerates your path to your first sale. With AutoDS, beginners essentially skip hours of busy work. Not just beginners and people who've been in the game for a while. It's got one-click importing. It's got AI title optimization, AI descriptions. It's got automatic tracking updates, price and stock monitoring, full-on automatic ordering. All the steps that overwhelm first-time sellers essentially become effortless. And finally, we have Success with Sam. Now, Sam approaches dropshipping from a stability and longevity standpoint, which is exactly what beginners need to hear. His biggest point is simple: warm up your account. Don't rush into dropshipping on day 1.
And another reason why it's a good idea for you to start buying products when you first create your eBay account is because you're going to be able to build up your feedback score. As you can see, this is a brand new eBay account that I've mainly used to buy various different things, and my feedback is now on 384.
Buying a few inexpensive items, leaving some feedback, and logging in every day to your eBay account, all of this, it shows eBay that you're a real human and you're not just a bot that's trying to spam products. Sam also gives some of the best advice on what not to sell when you're trying to get your first sale. Like, for example, avoid bulky items, or avoid really anything that requires assembly. Avoid high-ticket products, at least at the beginning. And avoid categories that are prone to returns. He recommends starting in the $10 to about $50 price range, which is pretty much a sweet spot for fast sales and easy fulfillment and low risk. This is crucial for beginners. Your first sale should be simple, it should be lightweight, and it should be easy to ship. And it should be something that people buy all the time. Think about things like small home items or pet accessories, maybe kitchen tools, gadgets, organization products, just not things like furniture, treadmills, or 50-pound dumbbells. All right, before we continue any further, if you're enjoying this video or if you're finding any value in it whatsoever, or if you simply want to learn more about eBay dropshipping, make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you like the video so that way you don't miss out on any future videos. And also, if you do want to check out AutoDS and automate your entire eBay dropshipping store, then make sure you grab the $1 trial for the next 2 weeks, and you can get that down in the description below. All right, let's continue. Okay, now let's put everything together into one simple path, the exact formula that all 3 creators align on. Step 1 is warm up your eBay account. This comes from Sam and Elliot, and really all you have to do is buy a few items, leave some feedback, and list a simple manual product, and also log in daily. This builds trust. Step 2, connect AutoDS. This is from Paul and Elliot, and Success with Sam. This gives you automated product importing, price and stock monitoring, order automation, AI titles and descriptions, and faster workflows. This builds consistency. Step 3, research winning items. This comes from primarily Paul and Sam, but this is something that you need to be doing. Scan trending sellers, look for repeat sellers. Stick to the $10 to $50 price range and avoid oversized items. This builds sales velocity. All right, next up at step 4, we import 10 to 20 optimized listings. A small group of quality listings outperforms 200 random products. Step 5, stay consistent and keep listing. Your first sale might be in 24 hours, or it might take a week, or it might take a month. But with the right setup, it will come. And honestly, that's really all there is to it. That's how the combined strategies of Paul J. Lipsky, Elliot Prreny, and Success with Sam create a simple and powerful roadmap for getting your first eBay dropshipping sale. If you want to start your store the smart and automated way, make sure to grab the AutoDS $1 trial in the description for the next 2 weeks. It's really the easiest way to launch with confidence. Huge thank you to everyone for watching, especially if you made it all the way to the end. My name is Mario with AutoDS. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that subscribe button, make sure you like this video. And with that, I'll catch y'all next time.